All right, so we want to solve the following problems here. So what we're going to do is we're going to square both sides. So we've got square root of 9x plus 136 is equal to 8 plus square root of x plus 8. Square both sides. And what's going to happen here is we're going to get 9x plus 136 is equal to 64. I'm foiling this out in my head, but I know this is going to be this. And then x plus 8 plus, and then square root of x plus 8 times square root of x plus 8 is x plus 8. All right, so we'll move everything. We'll move all x components to the left, and then we'll leave the radical by itself on the right. So subtract x, subtract 8, so minus 64 minus 8, and then minus x. So we end up with 8x. 8x. What does that end up being? 128. Okay, yeah, so that ends up being plus 64 still is equal to 16 root x plus 8. But the nice thing here is we can divide through by 8 all over, so we get x plus 8 is equal to 2 root x plus 8. So now if we square both sides of this equation, what we end up with is x squared plus 16x plus 64 is equal to 4. And then this ends up being quantity x plus 8 because the whole thing was squared. So this ends up being 4x plus 32 is equal to x squared plus 16x plus 64. All right, and then subtract 4x, and then subtract 32. So we get x squared plus 12x plus 32 equals 0. So we get x plus 4, x minus 8, or x plus 8. So that means that our solutions are x is equal to negative 8 and negative 4. So let's see if that's right. So negative 4 and negative 8. So if we use negative 4, we get 36 times negative 4 is negative 36, plus 136 is just 100. So square root of 100 is 10 plus 8, or excuse me, just square root of 100. And then negative 4, so that ends up being 8 plus just square root of 4. So we end up getting 10, and then 8 plus square root of 4 is 2, so that ends up being 10 equals 10. So that's correct. What about negative 8? It's a little bit different. So negative 8, it's going to be negative 72. So 28, 28. I don't know what that ends up being. It's 136 minus 72. So this ends up being 13, so 6. Oh, yeah, 64. Okay, so that ends up being just 8. And then 8, and then plus square root of negative 8 plus 8. Well, that ends up being 0, so 8 equals 8. So, yeah, so our solutions are negative 4 and negative 8, and that's correct. All right, I hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.